Hello, senior devs. My name is Sean Cannon, and you are watching the Succeed in Software online course. First and foremost, I'd like to thank you for putting your trust in me as a mentor, and I'd like to congratulate you on what I feel is the best investment you will make in your software career. I spent the last 2 decades learning things the hard way, through trial and error, luck, guidance, and mentorship, and as I've grown and been given new opportunities, I've always been extending my hand behind me to help fellow developers grow as well, so none of us are left behind. Throughout this course, I'm going to be referencing some libraries, frameworks, and buzzwords, which will most likely be part of the JavaScript family. Please don't think that if you code another language besides JavaScript that this course isn't for you. I absolutely work on projects that leverage other languages like Java, Python, Swift, Arduino Script, PHP, Haskell, .NET, the list goes on. In our line of work, we're often commissioned to add functionality to an existing codebase, and we don't get to choose the language. I decided to use JavaScript as the primary language for my examples and analogies because odds are, even if JS isn't your primary software language, you're probably familiar with it in some regard. If you do happen to be brand new to JavaScript, you'll benefit in another way, which is that I make a very strong point to mention that your career should not be your syntax. The language is just a tool on your belt, and you should be fluid and agnostic using whichever tool is best for the project or for the team. So please understand the concepts and principles that I will be covering in this course apply to multiple languages. I'll do my best to mention some variances, like if something applies to statically or loosely typed language only, or a pattern that applies to functional programming and doesn't apply to object-oriented or procedural languages as much. Lastly, if you ever feel like a video or module should accommodate your situation better, please send me a message and let me know. And I'll either try to help you personally, or I'll update the module to include additional content that covers your scenario if I think it can help multiple students. You can comment directly below each module, or you can post in the Succeed in Software Facebook group. With that, once again, thank you and welcome to the course.